Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on Young Studio 4D. Under this video, you can subscribe on our YouTube channel, activate notification and click on like because this video is so easy, is so beautiful and is cute for you. This is the good news. Wow! How to convert 4K video FPS to 4K video FP to 60 videos FPS, or how to convert 30 FPS video to 60 FPS video easily. All of this size, all of this format using one software for you, and this is a power software converter video, a power software video converter. Okay, let me to show you this right now. Get ready to see this. Let's go. Okay, look at that. Look at here. As you see, this is a power software. Get ready to see this. Okay, you need absolutely to download this software, AppleWare software MKV converter. Wow, it's so good, it's so good. If you go on Google, you can find this, you can download this beautiful software from his website, and it's so beautiful. As you see, it's good. Now, how to convert to 60 fps, 30 fps to 60 fps. Okay, to do this, let me to open to show you more information about this video. This video is on 30 fps. As you see, this is 30 fps. Look at that, in blue line blue, 30 fps. I want to convert this 30 fps video to a 60 fps video. How to do this? It's so easy to do this. Put your video directly here on this folder. After that, localize the folder where you want to convert. This folder, this piece will be on a folder where you can choose here. Let the folder of MKV on document. Let me see this. You can see your folder videos here on this folder. MKV Video Studio, MKV Video Studio. This is from AppleWare. Wonderful. Get ready. Now, look at that. When your video is here, you can click here to edit the format of your video. You can choose the size what you want, as like 4K videos. Have you seen 4K? And YouTube also 4K for you. Have you seen? Or you can click on you can click here on the first. This is in French. This is the original version, original resolution. And if it's done, now come here, click on settings here, and you can see your bitrate, and you can also see, okay, here FPS, here this is your frame rate. Okay, they are original. You can click on what you need here. The size what you want is here 60 fps, and click on OK. If it's finished, get ready. Have you seen? Wonderful. Okay, now get ready to do this. Get ready to do this right now with you. let's convert this YouTube beautiful original resolution and click on convert here. Okay, and get ready. This is the original video on 30 fps and get ready to see the final. Wonderful. As you see, it's done. Now click on OK and you can access directly to your beautiful folder here. Look at that. It's not modified. It's not good. This is not this. Okay, retry this again. Close this. Come here on settings. Okay, as you see, this is original. You have not modified this. To do this, put your beautiful videos settings. Okay, now it's done. Click on OK. Okay, because you are changed. When you change this option here, and like that, you need absolutely to come here to verify because it changes automatically. Okay, now change like that, and now it's good. Click on converter now. Okay, get ready. Convert. Get ready. Wonderful. Okay, as you see, it's good. You can subscribe right now. Click on like because it's done. Look at that. It's done now. You can click here to close this. Close. Click on property, and you can see the detail. Look at that. Wow, 60 fps, bro. This is the original videos. Look at that on detail. Look at that. This is 30 fps, 50 fps, 60 fps here now. Look at that. Look at the difference. Wow, all of this information is good for you. As you see, it's done. It's done. Have you seen? It's done. Okay. Let's see if it's possible to convert my video to 4K fps. Get ready, bro. Get ready. Now, do this. Open AppleSoft. Put your video into original videos on 30 fps. Click here to choose your beautiful size, YouTube 4K like that, and click on settings here and click on 60 fps, and if it's done, get ready. You can modify also the size of your video directly here, and it's done. Now click on convert, which in French I translate for you in English, and get ready. Okay, get ready. It's working. As you see, you can wait a few minutes. You need to wait a few minutes because this is 4K, bro. 4K 60 fps, 4K 60 fps. Get ready. You can subscribe. Click on like, subscribe, and share this beautiful video. Activate notification when you subscribe, and it's good. Okay, wait with me. You can also go on my YouTube channel, Young Studio 4D. There are many videos I make for you. Look at that. You can watch this video up to recording 4K 30 FPS video and convert it to 4K 60 FPS. Wow, this is good. You can watch this, and this is the first method for Windows and Mac. You can watch this video to see how to convert your 4K videos to your 4K 30 videos to 4K 60 videos directly here on your Mac OS X and Windows. I make this video especially for you. This is so great. You can subscribe. Okay, let's see. Where are you? What are you doing? What is the progression? You can see here the time and many things here for you. You can also play your video directly here. Okay, click on play to play your videos, to preview your videos, and take a beautiful capture. Or you can increase the size of this video, or take a photo directly to this video, directly on this beautiful software. It's good for you. Get ready. Almost finished. Don't forget to subscribe, bro. Subscribe. Get ready. Almost finished, and woo, it's done. Now click on OK and get ready. Okay, look at that, bro. Look at that. Okay, settings, detail. Look at that. This is 4K video, 2160. Look at that with 30 FPS, bro. Let's see the original video. The original is here. Let's see the original. The original video size is here. Detail. And you have now this is the original 60, and this is HD video 720. Wow, 20p. Now you can see the difference is here. You can do this. 4K videos is now let's play this, the first video. Look at this, the original video. Look at that. Get ready.
Madame et monsieur, bonjour et bienvenue sur Yours Report. Wow. Le témoignage qui va suivre est un témoignage très puissant, une vidéo wow, extraordinaire, où on nous dit des choses sur ce que vous avez vu dans le titre, sur ce que vous avez vu, et que vous êtes curieux de voir ce qui va se passer. Alors je vous dis bon visionnage à tous, bonne compréhension et surtout
wonderful. As you see, it's working now. Open now the HD 60 FPS videos. Do this.
Madame et monsieur, bonjour et bienvenue sur Yours Report. Wow. Le témoignage qui va suivre est un témoignage très puissant, une vidéo wow, extraordinaire, où on nous dit des choses sur ce que vous avez vu dans le titre, sur ce que vous avez vu, et que vous êtes curieux de voir ce qui va se passer. Alors je vous dis bon visionnage à tous, bonne compréhension et surtout priez le Seigneur Jésus-Christ à la fin, qui va répandre son esprit sur vous pour vous sauver. Bon visionnage à tous, surtout.
Wonderful. Now let's go to see the 4K 60 FPS video. Look at that.
Madame et monsieur, bonjour et bienvenue sur Yours Report. Wow. Le témoignage qui va suivre est un témoignage très puissant, une vidéo wow, extraordinaire, où on nous dit des choses sur ce que vous avez vu dans le titre, sur ce que vous avez vu, et que vous êtes curieux de voir ce qui va se passer. Alors je vous dis bon visionnage à tous, bonne compréhension et surtout priez le Seigneur Jésus-Christ à la fin, qui va répandre son esprit sur vous pour vous sauver. Bon visionnage à tous. Surtout, en dessous de cette vidéo, surtout s'abonner. Cliquez là sur abonnez-vous, activez la cloche, ne pas manquer la prochaine vidéo qui va suivre celle-ci. Celle-là. À bientôt. Merci beaucoup.
Have you seen this, bro? It's
Madame et monsieur, bonjour et
working.
bienvenue sur
It's working. And it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's amazing. Okay, thank you for video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel and get ready for the next video on Young Studio 4D. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. Like this video.